We Filipinos love the inviting, salivating, and smoky aroma of inihaw or grilled meat dishes, thus making the array of Yakiniku and Samgyeopsal Barbecue restaurants mushroom in our community. It is a testament that Korean and Japanese foods have captivated our taste buds. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at Yosimitsu, a 2-in-1 place of unlimited Yakiniku and Samgyeopsal Barbecue at 100 B Maria Clara St, Banawe, Quezon City. As the Japanese name Yoshi implies good luck, through its establishment, the goddess of luck has blessed Yosimitsu with 25 branches and counting. The many branches are witness to its success in providing good food with menu options at an affordable buffet cost. The grilling experience offers an eat-all-you-can at only 599 pesos net per person, with 24 delicious grilling types of meat and 19 enticing side dishes, complete with a popsicle dessert of sweet frozen treats on a stick. The delicious grilling meats are pork herb, yangyong, spicy pork bouquet, shoyu, and enoki pork rolls. It also has premium cuts of hangjeongsal or pork jowls with fine marbling in marination of salt and pepper, spicy, shoyu, curry, and herb that create a chewy texture. It also comes with slices of beef in various marinations with enoki beef rolls, best paired with unlimited melted cheese dip and seasoned egg, served around the hot grill that you can enjoy throughout the buffet. Also has various flavors of Japanese yakitori, made with bite-sized meats on skewers, glazed with a sweet savory sauce of teriyaki, spicy, curry, shoyu, classics, and herbs, which are all hard to resist. The enticing side dishes we indulge with are classic karaage, teriyaki karaage, ebi tempura complemented with green onion salad pamuchim, spicy kimchi, buttered kimchi rice, kani salad, miso soup, green iced lettuce, and 4 kinds of maki, to name a few. A diner can upgrade their meal with an additional 1 peso for unlimited servings of seafood like shrimp and scallops. And a further 49 pesos net for bottomless premium blends of house blend iced tea or calamansi juice, while other beverages like soft drinks in cans and Korean soju is available at affordable prices. The diner's fascination with Yosimitsu is not only with the taste of good foods, but also the unlimited number of servings and choices for a reasonable price and the fast and attentive service. Yosimitsu Banawe branch is open from Monday to Friday from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. If you have any reservations or other inquiries, call 0995 378 9272 and 8256 8074. See you on our next food trip at Tramway Tea House, Banawe. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!